keep it right there. It should be in the middle. Okay. Hey everybody, this is Ashley. Wave to the people, Ashley. She came to me a few weeks ago because she's one of my daughter's friends from high school, and she had been to, do you want to mention what the name of the place?
I can't even remember what it was.
Do you remember what it was? It was new,
Angel Nails?
Angel Nails, but it's like a chain. Because, see, we just got Texas nails.
Oh.
So I don't know what that is. But anyway, she went to a big new chain place in Paducah, Kentucky. And her nails look like jelly beans cut in half and filed to a point. And she asked for, coffin, short coffin. They were horrible. I mean, I've seen worse. They weren't, I should have filmed that. They weren't that horrible bad. They were bad, but they weren't that bad. So I just reshaped them and painted them. And then about a week later, she works at a homeless shelter, and about a week later, she calls me, and she has got what looks like over the top of what I did. Her nail beds were bleeding from the other place. Over the top of what I did, she works at a homeless shelter, and she let one of the clients paint her nails, and we're not sure, but we're pretty sure it was super glue that she painted her nails with, and they were, I kid you not, this thick. Hooves. They looked like hooves. Yeah, she thought they were hooves. And so I filed all that down, and then I'll put a picture of this Born Pretty dip / holo powders. On, and they were gorgeous, but when I did it, the powder was so powdery, I was afraid. So I'm just going to show you like how I would clean up, how I'm cleaning up. I'm not filing off her nail, just the cuticle, and she's got a little bit of like residue left on here, so I'm just going to get rid of that. I'm using the tip of this. You see I can touch it with my finger and it's not cutting or anything, so that's how mild this bit is at the tip. Blah blah blah, Eileen. And anyway, it was really pretty, but it was so fine I couldn't imagine it lasting very long as a dip powder, and I was correct. I even used gel as the liquids. So about a week later it started flaking off. So maybe it was application, but it was so fine. It was just like using a regular pigment powder to dip. And I only did 2 layers. I maybe should have done 3 and maybe another coat over. I don't know, but anyway. So now we're going to redo her nails, and I'm going to use the same process as the dupe for the Caprice that I did on my daughter, but I'm going to, I think, paint with gel. And I also got a little flashlight to cure with. So I'm going to finish prepping her nails, and then I'll come back. So we got these coffin shapes, and I've sized. This hand has bonder and base gel, and now I'm going to use builder gel, and I got get out there. Ooh. Ooh.
It's fancy.
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 Fancy. And we're going to, I sized the tips. Blah, blah, blah. Hope I'm staying in frame. And I buffed off the shine off the underneath. I'm gonna put me a globs, technical term, of builder gel over here, because I don't like their brush, and use my own brush. Well, actually, it's a Madam Glam brush. I'm sure the fans sound terrible too. Alright. And you know how to do this. I've showed you this before, but okay. Thin layer on the nail. I'm guessing that's Kasey texting me. Is she texting you?
No, but I texted her.
Oh.
So if she's texting you, I'm gonna be mad.
Well, I don't know if it was her. It might have been Tom's daily, you know, whatever.
Oh, there she is.
What'd she want?
I asked her where she was. She
Oh.
said here for the hand
That's-
emoji.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's helpful.
Mm-hmm.
And on the tip, keep it pretty thin because you don't want it gooshing out, which that's what I do with Kasey's. She was my guinea pig for the very first time of trying this. And then we're going to put it on there and then slowly apply pressure and rock it forward. Ashley, will you take that flashlight and turn it on? Make sure I don't have any bubbles here. And hold it on your nail, but not close because it'll be hot. A little closer. Come on, be brave. There you go.
Just tell me not close.
Okay, if it gets hot, take it off.
Okay.
Okay, look at that, you guys. No bubbles. Kasey's gonna be jealous because hers was like bubbled and like, she's already lost one. It's been a week and a half. She's already lost one.
Well, I think she's not doing something right.
Her nails suck. I can't keep anything on hers. Okay, that's good. We just need to set it so that it's on there good. Oh, nice and clean, nice and beautiful. Okay. And then we'll get them all on. I'll just leave this here. We'll get them all on and then we'll cure, full cure under the light. But, oh yes, that's good. That's good. Okay, pause it. All right, this is perfect. Ginger, you listening? You watching? Get your little flashy light. You need me to send you one to do yours. Screw that little thing, that little light that you gotta like. So this is set 2 I've done, but I didn't have the little, if you remember right with Kasey's, it was like all awkward and flipping the light up and kind of a disaster, but you know, it was Kasey, so we didn't really care. I hope she, well no, she never watches, so.
I'll tell her.
You tell her, your mom says she doesn't care about you. She likes me better. She'll
jealous.
go, well, I believe it.
Mm-hmm.
But Ashley likes Penny better.
I love Penny. I always loved Zoe too. You always have good dogs.
I have good dogs. I ordered, oh my gosh, so I ordered some actual, these tips are supposed to be made from gel, is how this one system is that I am duping here. And okay, this nail's just kind of weird shaped, I think.
It is.
Okay. Anyway, I ordered some. One of my subscribers recommended Missou. That is just not sealing. And so I got, and they were on sale. I got on, it's in France, so I had to pay shipping. It was like 15 bucks. It was really fast. I had it in like 2 days. Okay, I'm gonna have to try something else here. And 2 days, 5 days. I ordered it and it was within 5 days I had it. And I thought I ordered assorted tips. Okay. Oh, I hope I'm not curing my gel over here. Anyway, they're all one size. So I got 100 tips in one size. And it wasn't even a size I could use on any of Kasey's nails. So I'm guessing not yours either. Yeah.
I mean,
So that was like 20 bucks wasted.
are they big or small?
They're kind of like, I thought they would maybe fit middle fingers. I just didn't want to order all the sizes because you don't know. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Congratulations
Thank
on
you.
that.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay.
Is it good?
And that's got a little bevel on that one, but we're not going to worry about that.
Ruined.
Ruined. It's going to be angel nails all over again.
I know. I'm so disappointed.
Okay, see if that's like a good length.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
I can type.
Say, those look really good. There they are. A long, long. Who are you trying to sneak in?
Well, it was when you were still working on this place, and we decided to have a sleepover over here. It was me, Kasey, and Jamie. Jamie was terrified the whole time. She was in the corner. Surprise, surprise.
Yeah.
We were trying to sneak in. Well, we did. Jeff, Philip, and I think that was it. But that's when Kasey and Kaylin were broken up and back together and broken up and back together. And Kaylin had heard that that's what was going to happen. So he showed up at the front door and beat on it with Tyler. And that's what Tom heard. Tom came out. And
We're in the trailer?
we were here.
Yeah.
You guys were there. Yeah.
I don't remember this.
Yep. And what was funny is we probably could have gotten away with keeping Jeff and Philip here for a little bit. But when Kaylin beat on the door, they thought it was Tom, and they took off out the back door and ran over to Beasley's house.
You just see Tom. What are you kids doing? I don't remember this.
Yeah, it happened. It was fantastic. Like, Jeff and Philip had been here like maybe 10 minutes, and we weren't drinking. We weren't even like, you know.
No, Kasey hated. She wouldn't even hardly go to parties because of the drinking.
Yeah, we weren't doing anything like that. We just thought we were super cool, sneaking them in. Except Jamie, who was terrified, like I said.
Jamie's, yeah. I saw her, oh, I don't know, a few weeks ago at Real King, buying a collar for her dog, her new puppy, her kids, and her husband. Alright, so I didn't know if I could even do this with gel, but evidently I can. I'm putting it on a sponge like you would regular polish and glitter. And I'm sponging it on, and it looks a little chunky, but you can get it on and then take the polish and spread it out a little better so that it's not so chunked together, but yeah, one coat instead of two. Ooh, that one's gooby. That one's dripping. What did you do, Ashley?
I just can't do anything right.
Oh, I know. Okay, switch them out.
They look really good.
They look really cool.
They do. I love them.
And these were Ashley's finished nails that day, and then I did them again a couple weeks later. I just filed them and repolished. And then up next is Kasey's last set. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next one. If you have any questions, just ask right down below.
piece of couch. Okay, I'm out. Yeah, you don't like the licking though, huh? Don't knock him over and hit your foot. What a good boy. Oh, he stacked out his dog food all nice and neat. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you did that. He's proud of himself too, isn't he?
You think you can do another one? Here, look.
No, don't climb up there, you're gonna fall.
Why are you coloring the cucumber?